Hey guys, welcome to Cinematic Comet, where I talk about anything and everything related to the MCU. Avengers Endgame, aka the greatest movie of all time, has numerous moments that we all cherish and love to discuss and fondly look back at. There are a few underrated gems that are not talked about as much as, say, this scene.
Avengers! Assemble.
Or this one.
I love you 3000.
These underrated scenes are very impactful in their own right, so I thought of compiling a list and bringing them to your attention. And so here they are. Number 5. Rhodey and Nebula open up to each other. Rhodey and Nebula have both had their share of misfortunes in their life. When on their mission to getting the Power Stone from Morag, the usually reserved Nebula opens up to Rhodey about the same, and on sensing how hard it must be for Nebula to talk about her difficult past, he mentions how he understands the situation as he has gone through difficulties as well.
I wasn't always like this.
Me either. But we work with what we got, right?
Giving us all a chilling reminder of what happened to Rhodey in Civil War. I think this was an extremely underrated and heartfelt conversation which showed us a new side of Nebula where she was being more vulnerable than usual and also gave us another reason among the several other reasons to love Rhodey.
I'm like, boom, you looking for this?
For being such a compassionate human being. Number 4. Wanda and Hawkeye's heartfelt conversation. Wanda and Clint Barton have had a very special connection over the course of the MCU. Clint is like a father figure for her and was responsible for her transformation into an Avenger.
If you go out there, you fight, and you fight to kill. Staying here, you're good. I'll send your brother to come find you, but if you step out that door, you are an Avenger.
Wanda was one of the reasons he came out of retirement in Civil War, which resulted in his eventual status as a fugitive and his subsequent house arrest. This scene takes place after the heart-wrenching funeral of Tony Stark and shows the two of them remembering Natasha and Vision, both of who lost their lives in the battle against Thanos, and Clint wished there was a way for Natasha to know that they've won, and their sacrifice was not in vain. To this, Wanda replies saying that they know. We already had a flood of tears in our eyes, and this conversation just reminds us of how much we lost in this battle and that we are indeed coming to the end of the Infinity Saga. Tissues, anyone? Number 3. Bruce's snap and the callback to Steve Rogers' transformation. We all remember that it was Bruce who got everyone back by snapping his fingers, but what is an overlooked fact in this incredible scene is that Marvel had a subtle callback to the inspirational transformation scene of Steve Rogers to Captain America. Ever wondered why it was Steve who asks Bruce if he's okay to continue doing the snap despite Thor asking Bruce to take the gauntlet off?
Take it off! Take it off! No, wait, Bruce, are you okay? Talk to me, Banner.
Well, it's because Steve is reminded of a kid from Brooklyn who was in a similar situation some decades ago. When Steve was being given the superhero serum in the first Avenger, there was a point where it looked like they had to shut down the operation to prevent him from getting harmed.
Shut it down! Shut it down!
Kill the reactor, Mr. Stark! Turn it off! Kill it!
But Steve insisted that he could go on, and this is precisely why he felt that Bruce could carry on with the snap as well.
No! Don't! I can do this!
A great callback to an iconic scene. Number 2. Scott Lang sees Cassie Lang. One of the most underrated and heartbreaking moments of Avengers Endgame happens when the unsung hero of the movie, namely the Rat, helps Scott Lang return to a present time from the quantum realm. After realizing the massive changes that took place in the present time, he frantically searches for Cassie Lang's name among the list of people who were decimated in the snap. This was the 10th time for both him and all of us, given how close he was to his daughter and all the cute moments they had had together. That is precisely why it was so relieving, heartwarming, but also tragic to see the eventual reunion when he realizes that his little Cassie's grown up now. Both the actors Paul Rudd and Emma Furman did a spectacular job in selling this highly emotional scene, which deserves to be talked about more. It just makes me extremely sad to know that Scott missed out on watching his little girl grow up. Number 1. The world is in our hands. Another tremendous and powerful scene in this movie. The scene itself is not necessarily one that is underrated. Rather, the line itself and the implication of it are underrated. I have to admit, even I didn't catch on to the deeper meaning of the line when I watched the movie, even after watching it multiple times in the hall. It was when I watched a review of one of my favorite YouTube channels called Hyper RPG that the full effect of this line was drawn to me after Hector, who is one of the YouTubers of the channel, spoke about it. So a big shout out to him and their channel. These guys are huge MCU fans and they have in-depth knowledge of the comics as well. So if you guys love Marvel, you should definitely check out that channel. I'm leaving a link to that channel in the description, and you should be able to see the link on the top right hand side of your screens just about now. The implications of this dialogue beyond the circumstances of the movie was to bring to our attention that we must act to protect this vulnerable blue planet of ours. Because this is all we've got, guys. So always remember to be kind to other people and other beings, because planet Earth is home for all of us.
The world is in our hands. It's left to us, guys. And we gotta do something with it.
The world is in our hand, guys, and the scene and the emotion behind the scene has to be talked about at greater length. I plan to make an entire video on this topic because this is one which is very close to my heart. Well, who said that superhero movies are for kids? Of course, the golden rule to such videos is that since everyone has their own opinion, it is imperative that you voice your opinion in the comment section below. In my experience, these scenes don't get talked about as often as I would personally like. Also guys, do tell me what kind of videos you would like me to make in the future, and remember, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Cinematic Comet if you haven't already. I shall see you guys soon, and until then, remember to aim for the moon, because even if you miss, you land among the stars.